Today we're on the back streets of Progress General Luna, and I'm gonna have a haircut, the best one here in General Luna. Her name is Kiko, and Martin is thinking of looking for the parts as well.
I'm joining Mama with the haircut because I'm fed up of my hair going into my eyes.
Yes, Martin is going. Ay, Martin.
You're gonna be the one cutting hair first?
Yeah.
This one is so
Layered V shape.
like this?
Oh, yeah. But the front is like this because I'm not having bangs. It's just
You don't wanna have bangs?
no.
Yeah. So
Layers as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
okay.
But yeah.
You want more
V, yeah.
Okay, so you would like to keep the
bottom
here.
Yeah.
But here, would you like to
Yeah.
cut it a little bit?
Yes.
So which means the side is going shorter.
Yeah, okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Because this one is
Yeah,
coming
because it's
up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
like that. Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
Yes.
The ear, right?
Yeah.
And then they said, yeah, just wait for a while. You have to, it has to be approved.
Yeah.
But then after 6 months, it's not approved yet. Able to live, right?
Yes. The mall.
Would you like to wash your hair? Yeah. Is the cold water okay for you?
Yeah.
Mommy's having a haircut and I'm reading the book Why the Whales Cry.
So the rain has started here on the island, and we're just waiting for Mirasol to finish up before Raf takes over and has his haircut. Let's go back inside and see what's going on now.
My haircut is finished and I'm very happy about this look. Mapagor na. This is my first time having a haircut here at Kiko, and she did a great job doing my hair, so this won't be the last time. I'll definitely be back. And now she's doing Rafael's hair, so we'll see what she's gonna do for us.
So now Mirasol's haircut is all over. Raf is walking in quite a relaxed way. We don't have any idea of what to do, so we're going to leave it in the hands of the professional to decide. Raphael, what kind of haircut would you like today?
Not
Okay, so Raf doesn't also have any ideas, so let's just see. This is the before look, what happens in about 30 minutes time.
Here's a Filipino hair. Big hair. Okay.
Of course, the other reason we came here because we're looking for Jan's creation flower pots. So this is the first one, and the second one here, and the third, and the fourth.
And which is your favourite, Miras?
That one, the first one, and the second.
Okay, so Raf is all finished up, and we're just waiting for him to come out. Come out, Raf! Okay, and here's Raf's view look. What do you think, Raf? Stop! What do you think?
Great! And not in my eyes anymore.
Brilliant.
Is it okay? Yeah.
So Keiko's husband, Jang, he makes these super cool concrete-based plant pots, and we're really excited to order some to complete our property in the upcoming months. This is Jang's workshop, and you can see that he's got a range of pots on the go, and this is his son, and he's excited to get in the shop. And these two are the largest pots available, and here are some of the smaller ones. So these two have had their haircuts. They're looking really good. The thunder is roaring, and it's time for us to go home. We're going to head home on the motorbike, and then tomorrow I'm going to show you a cheap barber shop, and myself, and hopefully Raphael's cousin. We're going to get our haircuts down in the heart of GL. So, are you ready to go, Raf?
Yeah.
Happy with your haircut?
Yeah.
And Mirasol?
Yes.
Okay, time to go home. Right, today it's time for me and Walter to get our haircuts at the local barber shop. We're excited about it. It's not quite as social as Raphael and Mirasol's Kiko's, but we don't care. We just want to get a haircut. Don't we, Walter? Haircut time, yes? Yeah, he's not quite sure about it. Let's go. So here on a side street of General Luna is Miras and Raf and Walter. They're following me up to the barber shop today. Walter's joining me. And Walter, of course, is Mirasol's nephew. And here, this is the main tourist road of General Luna, the heart of Siargao Island's tourist industry. So this is our destination today, a rustic little barber shop, and we'll see what happens to my hair, and of course Walter's hair here at the barber shop. Behind me is going to be my barber today. Let's just see what happens here, right inside the barber shop. Pretty stoked about it.
Walter. Hoy. Sin Ismail, Ramanon Hano. Ho? Nalipay ka magpautod? Walter.
Okay, here we are in General Luna. This is the beginning of my haircut. Let's see how it looks in 15 minutes. And Mirasol at least is excited to see how it turns out.
Against the light, eh?
Okay noon.
So this is the final result. Pretty good job. 100 pesos for the haircut, and then another 100 pesos for a shave. He even gave me a massage. Now it's time to walk home. This afternoon we're going to a party. Here's Raf. He seems to have found something to eat. And then here's Walter. Walter, let's stop for a second, Walter. And that is his final result of his haircut. He went from an army cut. So we're all cleaned up, ready now for a party to close the day. And here's Mirasol. What do you think of their haircuts, Miras?
Margao. Very good.
And what are you eating there?
Salbaro.